Are you ready to navigate the twists and turns of today's real estate market and discover where the best opportunities lie? Hi everyone, I'm Will Draper, and welcome to your go-to source for the latest real estate insights. In this market update, we're diving deep into the key trends that are shaping the real estate landscape right now. First, let's take a look at interest rates. As you know, these have a huge impact on affordability. We'll break down the recent shifts and what they mean for both buyers and sellers strategizing their next move. Next, we'll be analyzing the current inventory levels in our area. Are we seeing more houses hitting the market, or is it still a seller's game? Understanding supply and demand is crucial for making informed decisions. A seller's market gives you the edge, and the opposite applies when the demand is low. We'll also explore emerging trends such as the increasing interest in sustainable homes, smart home technology, and the evolving preferences of first-time buyers. We'll show you what people actually want when looking to purchase a home so you can have an edge. But this isn't just about numbers, it's about real-world strategies. I'll share actionable advice for buyers looking to make competitive offers, and tips for sellers aiming to maximize their property's value. If you want to come out on top, you need the right plan. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to consider your options, this market update will equip you with the knowledge you need to succeed. So, stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real estate insights. The market changes constantly. If you aren't updated, you'll be left behind. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you navigate this ever-changing real estate landscape. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. And remember to use the hashtag #marketupdate and #realestateanalysis in the comments below to continue the conversation.